Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. J's Learning Hub. For today's video, we will be learning different online teaching platforms that we can use during our remote learning. New normal approach to teaching and learning. Despite the temporary closure of school buildings due to this global pandemic, the teaching and learning continues through remote or distance learning. Teachers are thinking of different ways to support and provide education for their students with the use of different online teaching platforms. Here are the 3 online teaching platforms we are going to discuss today. First, Seesaw, the learning journal. Second, Canva. And the last one, GSuites. Let's talk about the Seesaw Learning Journal. What is Seesaw, the learning journal? Here, in this video, you will see how we teachers can spark meaningful engagement with Seesaw.
I love when that light bulb, that aha moment happens. When they've been working really hard and all of a sudden that light bulb goes off and that click of, oh, I get it now.
I'm looking for new ways to engage my students every single day. Seesaw, hands down, is the best thing that has ever happened to any of my 3rd grade classrooms. Whether it's math, writing, social studies, in art class, in music class, it works for everything. There's so many different ways that a student can create.
They can take pictures, they can do drawing, they can record, and then have to go a step further and explain their thinking in a way that really cements the learning.
Seesaw helps me because it gives me that immediate feedback of how the kids are doing. It helps me find those misconceptions in their lesson and then the following day to reteach those concepts that were missed.
The Seesaw Activity Library is a go-to almost every single day. I love that I can get so many different ideas for activities that I could use right there in one spot. Students love Seesaw. They get very proud of their portfolio and they like to share it with other people.
I saw that. I was at work at a meeting and my little notification popped up. I use the Seesaw Family app both at home and at work. It really helps me give an insight of what Ava is doing, not only in class, but also the way that she's thinking and her process. And I think that's priceless.
I love how Seesaw really allows me to get to know my students on a deeper level. They don't always want to stand up or raise their hand to talk in class, but I feel like Seesaw really allows them to open up and shine.
Okay, let me show you what you can see here on Seesaw. First, this is what we call as the main page, okay? Main page of Seesaw. You can find here all the learning activities posted by your students and at the same time, all the resources that you want to share to your students. This is what we call as a student's journal. On Seesaw, you can send and assign activities with your students. Teachers can also send announcements to parents and at the same time to your students. Okay, so to add your students' work or assign activity or send announcement, all you have to do is to click add here. So for instance, here. So if your child wants to take a picture of his or her work, all you need to do is to click photo here. Okay, and it will appear, the camera will appear there. And then here, for example, they took a picture and it's already stored on their phones or their iPads. So all they need to do is to click this one, upload, and choose the picture or the file that your child want or your students to upload on their students' journal, and it will go there. Okay, it's the same time. You have here the drawing, note, linked, and video. Okay, so If you want to send or assign activity to them, all you need to do is to, if you already have created your own activity, then click here, create new activity. Or if you want to look for sample activities, you can also find it here. So here we have the community, and all you need to do is to browse different activities that you can, there's a lot of activities that you can find here. So yeah, okay, when you assign these activity, you can find it here. Click activities and then it will appear here. To send announcement, just click this one. You can send it to all the students or all the family members, or if you want all students and family members, just click that one. And all you need to do is to type here, dear parents and students. Okay, and then you can start typing your message to them and then click send now. Okay, there you go. Seesaw is the best platform for empowering students to demonstrate and share learning. Student portfolios, formative insights by giving them feedback and feed forward on their works. And the last one is family communication. Now let's talk about Canva. What is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content. It is available on web and mobile and integrates millions of images, fonts, templates, and illustrations. Canva is offering a supercharged version to classrooms for free. Jam-packed with value and time-saving features plus millions of free images, every user of Canva for education gets hundreds of dollars of value for free. Register your class to unlock the best teaching tools Canva has to offer, from classroom collaboration to folders that help you stay organized. What your classroom can create with Canva. You can do presentations, infographics, posters, class schedule, and you can also do your lesson plans and newsletters. Okay, so here you can search, for example, you are going to do a presentation. All you need to do is type here presentation, click this one, and you can find a lot of templates here. For instance, you want to use or you want to do an English lesson presentation. So since you already have the template here, what you need to do is to edit what is the name of your school or even your name there. So here, to add new page, all you need to do is click that one, okay? And then you can use this template to put your class objectives and rules. Then you can edit this one. Okay, so if you want to change this, the font for this, all you need to do is to click this one. You can find different fonts here. Okay, here's the font size, here's the font color, okay, and so on. Where can you find this pictures? Actually, you can find it through the elements. Okay, so for example, this one you can have medals. You can search a lot of elements here that you can use, but take note that if you did not pay or you did not use the paid version, then this one, if you're going to use that one, you can see that there's a watermark. Okay, so if there's no crown here, it means that it's for free. Okay, like this one. You can also use this one. Yeah. Okay, so here, if you want also to upload pictures, just click uploads here. if you want to find photos, then you can also search here. There are also different font combinations that you can see here if you want to use. Okay, like for example this one. Yeah. Okay, all you need to do is just change the words there. Okay, you can always change it. Okay, you can also put some background music here. Okay, you can also look for videos, and you can always change your background. You can use this one as your background, this one, and there's a lot of background that you can use here for free. Okay, so here you can also find here charts if you are going to use charts and more. Okay, lastly, let's talk about G Suite. Okay, with G Suite for Education, educators can create opportunities for learning, streamline administrative tasks, and challenge their students to think critically, all without disrupting current workflows. G Suite for Education tools are powerful on their own, but work even better together. So, collaborate effortlessly while staying on task. Docs, sheets, and slides let you co-create and edit in real time. Use Google Drive to store and access docs on and offline without losing a draft. Communicate your way. Connect your classroom with email, chat, and video. Google Meet connects students and teachers to teach and learn from anywhere. Manage your classroom simply. Create classes, make assignments, give quizzes, and save time grading. You can also use this to organize your tasks. Build to-do lists, create task reminders, and schedule meetings. That's it! I hope you learned something today. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be updated on my upcoming videos. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and share it with your friends. Have a great day! God bless everyone! Okay,